In a world where dragons rule the skies and ancient magic shapes the fate of kingdoms, a new legend is about to begin. From the Fifth Nature comes a massive RPG on Roblox, inspired by Game of Thrones. You'll explore a land torn by war, ruled by powerful houses, and tested by destiny. Become a knight, command spells as a wizard, or rise as a dragon rider. Forge your house, claim your legacy, and fight for the throne. The next era of Roblox roleplay is coming. Are you ready?
Yo guys, as you saw in the trailer, a new game is currently on development by the Fifth Nature. This game will be a huge multiplayer RPG. Me, Tensai, will feature all the upcoming news and sneaks of the game, so subscribe to stay tuned and join the Discord server in the description.